Morning breaks on the coastal line, gray green water, the salt and pine, fishing boats in the early light, rock and timber holding tight. I left from roads that I've always known, passed by the docks and the worn smooth stone, with a restless thought I couldn't name, and a map that didn't look the same. Through New Brunswick's winding ways, fields and rivers, quiet days, Quebec towns with fading signs, church bells ringing out in time. Ontario stretched long and wide, endless miles by the lakeside. Every turn felt slow and sure, like something steady, something pure. And I ride this line from shore to shore, through the things I can't ignore. Every mile just shows me more than I was looking for. There's a truth out here I can't deny, in the land beneath the sky, and it finds me as I ride, with the country at my side. Then the land gate open breath, golden fields and a sky with depth. Saskatchewan wind runs deep, carries secrets it won't keep. Alberta rises strong and bare, big sky stretching everywhere. There's a silence you come to know, in the places few will go. Mountains climb like they always have, stone and time in their quiet path. Every turn cuts sharp and steep, promises it means to keep. Through the passes cold and high, clouds drift slow across the sky. And I felt small but somehow clear, like I was meant to wander here. And I ride this line from shore to shore, through the things I can't ignore. Every mile just shows me more than I was looking for. There's a truth out here I can't deny, in the land beneath the sky, and it finds me as I ride, with the country at my side. Then the air turns soft and green, ocean wide and evergreen. Rain comes down but it don't stay long, just enough to write a song. We'll slow down near the western shore, I ain't chasing distance anymore. What I carried, what I found, feels like it's settled now. From the tide to prairie sky, to the mountains standing high, every mile still rolls along in the echo of this song.